I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your ESIM to a new iPhone can seem tricky, but it is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Prepare your new iPhone. Make sure your new iPhone is set up and connected to Wi-Fi. You will need it to download your ESIM profile. Step 2. Open the Freedom mobile app. On your new iPhone, download and open the Freedom mobile app. If you don't have it yet, find it in the App Store. Step 3. Log into your account. Enter your Freedom mobile account credentials to log in. This will allow you to access your ESIM information. Step 4. Request ESIM transfer. Within the app, navigate to the ESIM section and select the option to transfer your ESIM to a new device. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer. Step 5. Activate the ESIM. Once the transfer is complete, go to Settings, Cellular, add cellular plan on your new iPhone. Scan the QR code provided in the app to activate your ESIM. If you encounter a message saying the ESIM is already in use, double check that you've removed it from your old device first. I hope this guide helps you transfer your ESIM smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.